Joanne from the Berkeley branch, and today we're going to make Irish potato bread. It's very simple, just a few ingredients. You start out with potatoes, of course. So we're gonna peel and cut up about 1.5 pounds of potatoes. So we've got our potatoes in the water all chopped up. We're gonna boil them. Once they're soft, when you stick a fork in it, we'll drain them and start mashing them up. All right, the potatoes have cooked. I drained them, and now we have to mash them. I'm going to use something called a potato ricer. What you do is you put the potatoes and then when you close the handle and squeeze, they come out of the bottom all nice and fine. Now, if you don't have a potato ricer or you don't like using one, you don't have to. You can just use a regular potato masher or even a fork, whatever you have around, whatever you want to use, just as long as you make sure that the potatoes have no lumps in it. All our potatoes are nice and smushed. Now we add about 2 tablespoons of melted butter and 1.5 cups of flour. This is a 1/2 cup measure, so I use 3 of them to equal 1.5 cups. And now we mix it up. Now, like we said, these are very simple ingredients, not a whole lot of flavor. So you can add whatever you want at this point to change the flavor. You could take fresh herbs, maybe some parsley, maybe some rosemary, whatever herbs you like, chop them up, mix it in. You could do cheese, you know how we love cheese around here. You could do whatever kind of seasoning you like. You could even keep it plain and then put cinnamon sugar on it when you're done cooking it. So what I think I'm gonna do, because I'd like to try a sweet and a savory, so I'm gonna divide this in half. I'm gonna put 1/2 off to the side. This will be our sweet dough. And this half, I think I'm gonna add some garlic powder. Who doesn't like garlic? Add a little bit. Maybe some extra pepper. And then mix it up. All right, now we're going to mix. I'm sorry, not mix. We're going to knead the dough a little bit. I put it out onto a floured piece of parchment paper and just kind of move it around a bit with your hands. You want to make sure it seems really like a dough instead of just plain mashed potatoes. If you're getting sticky, add a little bit more flour, just like that. If you sprinkle it from a little bit above, it'll spread out as it falls. So I've kneaded the dough till it seems like it's the right consistency. My hands are a little messy right now. I divided it up into about the size of maybe a baseball. And then I'm going to take a rolling pin and roll out the dough. A little sticky, I'll put some more flour. We now have the dough rolled out into about a circle, roughly a circle. We're going to cut it in quarters. I have a skillet here with some butter and oil in it. We're gonna lay it in there and cook it until it's brown on both sides. I think it's time to take our first batch out. Looks nice and brown. Oh my gosh, and it smells so good with all this butter that it's cooking in. Now while they're hot, out of the pan, I'm going to take this cinnamon sugar that I mixed together, just drizzle it. I think I should drizzle it on both sides, don't you? Woo! Very hot, be careful. I think I'm gonna have to let it cool off for a minute before I try it. All right, I've cooked some of the plain ones, put cinnamon sugar on it. I've cooked the ones with the garlic powder in it, and now I'm gonna give it a try. I like it. So, if you make these at home, let us know. Go on our Facebook page and tell us what you chose to mix in to flavor your Irish potato bread.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.